Today, I look forward to sharing with you about the ZenoWELL vagus nerve stimulator. This device is really interesting because it works with the left ear. You may see other types of vagus nerve stimulators that work differently. Again, this works with the left ear. This not only helps, and for me, primarily I wanted to see how it helps with sleep, but it also can help with relieving stress, alleviate pain, fatigue, depression. If you are dealing with brain fog, there's a lot of great benefits that you may find with a vagus nerve stimulator. And perhaps this device may be a good fit for you. Now, if you're interested in checking it out, I'll be sure to share my referral link, and there'll also be a discount code the company gave to me. The company has not seen this video, so it'll be an unbiased opinion of how it's worked with me, and particularly in sleep. Now, there are two other modes, which is meditation and relaxation, and I have not used those modes, so that will be a good follow-up video on that. But we'll talk about my benefits, how I've seen it with sleep. Now, in addition to the device, it has the left earpiece, and that was one thing that was really intriguing. Why the left ear? And I look forward to talking about that. So we'll talk about the left piece in a minute. You've got the Type-C cable. You have the traveling case. It's like a hard shell traveling case, so perfect there. Now, with the earpiece, you do need to get the earpiece wet because it needs to make it more effective, and that's either done by water, which they give you a bottle, so you can use water and spray it, or you also have gel. So you've got that option as well. If you want to use that, you've got the user manual. You've got a quick start guide, so everything's right in that quick start guide. A little card with a note, and this is the box that it comes with. So this could be a nice gift box. Now, as I said, this works with the ear and the left ear. So I was reading what it says, why the left ear, and it mentions that clinical studies have proven that using vagus nerve stimulation in the left ear can improve sleep, anxiety, reduce fatigue effectively, and without side effects. This is why we designed left ear stimulation. So I thought that's pretty cool. Now, the way this works, and actually let me talk about the device here in a minute. It's got a nice feel. It doesn't feel like it's slippery at all. It's got this rubber type of texture to it, very lightweight. It's got a nice big display there. Very easy to read, it's rechargeable, and in the few weeks that I've used it, I've only had to recharge it once. So, first of all, you have your connector here, which you would put that earpiece there. And then you have, next thing is you're gonna turn it on, you're gonna press and hold that button on the side there, and there you go. You got a nice big display. It says sleep. It's got the battery indicator. The 0 means the intensity, so you could go up to level 30. For some, that might be too much. I go around 10 to 12. Then you have a 20-minute timer, and then you have the mode. So you got sleep, you have meditation, and also relaxation. Now, the different modes are gonna give you a different feel. Again, it has like this tens unit type of feel in your ear, this pulsating type of feel, and however else it works with the technology inside, so which is interesting. Then you've got, again, you have your intensities, the minus and plus, and then you have the play pause, and then the charging port down there. So what you want to do next is you want to get the earpiece wet. Again, you can use gel or you do water and just spray that on the earpiece. It's a wingtip, and so it might feel big, but you can adjust it. I have not taken part of the earpiece off, but you can certainly do that if you find it's too big for your ear. So I'm just gonna spray it, and then I am going to put it in my ear. Now, one of the things that I found, before I started feeling this stimulation feel, I had to adjust it in my ear, and it might take a few seconds. So that's one thing to think about. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it into the sleep mode, and then I'm gonna press that plus sign, so now it's on, and I'm gonna go up to about level 10. And now I am starting to feel that around this part of my ear. Now I can go up to 11 or 12. And again, you might find it works for you at a higher level, or you might need to go at a lower intensity. And you'll feel like this pulsating feel with that, again, TENS type of sensation as well. And you might get a different experience when you're using the meditation or relax mode. So again, I've primarily just used the sleep, and I use this before, or actually when I'm going to sleep. You can use it like an hour before, and it might be a good way to unwind. So for me, what I do is I have a red light. So I turn this red light on, which is red light therapy. And then I also, in my right ear, I listen to I have some music on too. It's a special app which helps with sleep as well. But since I have been using this one, I do feel like I am falling asleep quicker. Usually it does kind of wake me up when I feel like it stopped. So I quickly shut it off, which it would have an auto shut off as well. And then you can then go to sleep and do your thing. Now you can also do this again with meditation or relaxation. And as far as sleep, one, I do feel like it gets me tired quicker, but I also find in looking at my sleep and my app on my Garmin watch, I am getting deeper night sleeps. I'm getting longer REM, and that's what I've noticed. I wish it would help me with not waking up to go to the bathroom, so it doesn't help that problem. But I do notice it has helped me some with sleeping and getting deeper REM night sleeps. And that's what I can share with you to this point. I look forward to doing other videos and sharing with you when it comes to relaxation or meditation. Maybe if I take a little power nap in the afternoon, I might try it that way as well. But up to this point, I have been using it to sleep. Now, if you have used a vagus nerve stimulator, you have any questions, let me know. If you're using this device in particular, please leave any comments how it's working for you. And if you end up getting it, please let me know how it's working for you. And I appreciate your time. I hope this video is of help. Check it out. And don't forget to take advantage with the discount code so you could save money on this device. So there you go. Hope it might help you in other ways as well besides sleeping. Again, so many different benefits that people see using vagus nerve stimulation, in particular with this, because it's going to help with the ear versus other types of vagus nerve stimulators. All right, have a great day and stay healthy.